Okay, because the reaction in the infant is so severe, there's probably no lactase produced at all due to some kind of significant deletion maybe of the TATA box in the promoter region. If it was just the enhancer, we might expect some diminished lactase activity, but we wouldn't expect it to be missing completely. Severe lactose intolerance suggests that we have almost no lactase available. So this probably means a problem in the promoter, not the enhancer. There were a lot of different ways that you could have responded to this question, to the why part of the question. And what I hope you did is spend some time planning out your answer and writing it out. Now, there's an okay to a best level of answering this question, in my opinion. And an okay response, which isn't very good, and I hope you put more than this, is the promoter is mutated, meaning that you were able to select correctly that it's the promoter and just indicate that you think that's where the mutation is. But that's not much of an explanation. The next best answer, ranked here as good, would be saying that the promoter likely has a mutation in the consensus sequence, preventing transcription and causing the symptoms. So understanding that the actual mutation itself is happening in a sequence that's a consensus and it blocks transcription altogether. Still, it leaves a little bit to be desired. A better answer would be to say that the TATA box, right, which we know is the consensus sequence, is likely mutated, which prevents transcription factors from binding, right? We know that there are transcription factors that bind and make transcription happen. This results in no lactase, which explains the severe phenotype. A change in the enhancer would have less of an effect. So you not only understand, right, that the TATA box is crucial to the effectiveness of the promoter, but you realize that the enhancer isn't really doing that much as far as absolute control, right? It can boost levels, right? But it's not going to essentially take all the transcription away, as we see in the case of the infant. And the best possible answer here is to be pretty comprehensive and to say that the consensus TATA box of the promoter is likely deleted or significantly altered. As a result, critical transcription factors can't bind and transcription doesn't occur, so we get no lactase protein. And this would explain the severe phenotype better than a change or deletion in the enhancer region, whose alleles seem only to affect lactase persistence into adulthood. What I'd really like for you to do is look at your answer from the previous video screen, and I want you to compare it to these answers here and then select the checkbox here that you think best evaluates how you answered the question. If you think you are only okay, check the okay box. If you think you were best, check the best box. And there are boxes in between these answers that you can check as well if you think your answer is somewhere in the middle. Go ahead and do that comparison now and then select which box you think fairly assesses your answer to this question.